Hi there everyone. How are we all? I hope you're all fine. Thank you to all the 334 subscribers that are now members of the family and part of this channel. Thank you for making everything possible and for the lovely comments that you keep leaving. Today we're going to try another taste test, food review. And today are pork pies. We shall be trying an Andrew Jones pork pie, who is a champion pie maker from Huddersfield in West Yorkshire, which of course is my birth town. And in here we've got 36% pork, water, flour, iron, carbonate, niacin, thiamine, lard, water, beef gelatin, salt, baking powder, dextrose, maltodextrin, gelling agent, carrageen, potassium chloride stabiliser, pepper, thyme, raisin agent, etc, etc. As I say, Andrew Jones, in fact it says it there, award-winning pies. See our award-winning pies on jonespies.co.uk. And I do believe that the award that they won was Best Pork Pie. So that's it out of its wrapper. Looks like any other pork pie to me, but there you go. And the other one we're trying is from Tesco, and this is a Melton Mowbray pie. And this is seasoned uncured pork encased in a pastry case. Wheat flour, calcium carbonate, iron, niacin, thiamine, 30% pork, lard, water, palm extract, white pepper, made using British pork. And as Chris the Butcher says, it really doesn't matter where the meat comes from, because we're eating it, we're not talking to it. And there it is. If you want to pause the video to read the nutritional guides, this is the Melton Mowbray. And immediately you can see the difference between the Mowbray and the Jones pie. The Mowbray feels a lot firmer. So, Andrew Jones, here we go. And that's inside the Andrew Jones award-winning pie. And that is inside the Melton Mowbray pie. I'm going to try the Jones one first. The pastry to me in that one looks a little bit undercooked, but we shall see. The filling is really nice, but the pastry, as I say, it looks doughy inside and it's very, very salty. That is incredibly salty. The filling in the Andrew Jones pie, it's got a nice texture, it's got a nice taste, but for me personally the pastry lets that one down. Right, we'll try the Mowbray now. There's the Melton Mowbray. Oh, that's very interesting. The filling on the Mowbray pie it's okay, but nowhere near as nice as the Jones pie. The pastry casing, on the other hand, is far nicer than the Jones pie. So, Jones on my left, Mowbray on my right. Without a doubt, the Andrew Jones pie filling is the best. And without a doubt, the Melton Mowbray pie, the casing, is far better than the Jones one. The Andrew Jones pie came in at £1.70 from Tesco, and the Melton Mowbray pie came in at £1.30. Are they worth the money? They're okay. And I think if Andrew Jones got together with the makers of the Mowbray, excuse me, they'd have an amazing pie between them. Andrew Jones, I will give a score of 7 out of 10. The pastry, for me personally, it really lets it down. And for the Melton Mowbray, even though the filling isn't as good, I would score that 7 out of 10 as well. Not bad, not bad at all. Both of them have a pleasant texture. The Melton Mowbray one has got far better seasoning within the pie and the pastry, and the Andrew Jones one is just way too salty. So 7 out of 10. And I saw this as well, and I think this was £1 for Lucasade Alert. It's new, and it's an energy drink, and it's a cherry blast, it says. Certainly smell the cherry. Cheers everyone. To be fair, it's like drinking sugared water, which I guess it is in many ways. I was expecting a bigger hit of cherry. Cherry blast it says, which is not really true. It's okay, but it's insipid. Very little flavour at all. So I'm sure Lucasade could do better than that if they wanted. Yeah. Yes, there we go. So guys and girls, family members, thank you all again for watching if you've got this far. I hope that your day goes well. I've got another busy day ahead of me, visiting Huddersfield, and then this afternoon Dewsbury General Hospital to see the rheumatology department. I hope your day goes well. If you've liked what you've seen, please click the like button. Leave a message, a comment in the box below if you've anything to say at all. Hit the bell icon for any future uploads, and if you haven't subscribed already, please feel free to subscribe. It's absolutely free, helps the family grow, helps the channel grow, and it's good all round. Thank you all again so much, and at this point I will say Namaste, and may your God go with you.